Everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil, and in today's video we're going to cover another SAT exam question. Let's get started. The graph of the equation ax plus ky equals 6 is a line in the xy plane where a and k are constants. If the line contains the points -2, -6, and 0 and -3, what is the value of k? You know that when you have a straight line, there are an infinite number of points which are located on the line. Just imagine that this point has coordinates -2 and -6, and another one is 0 and -3. If you substitute the value of these two coordinates, like -2 and -6, in the equation of the line, it satisfies the equation. Okay, the equation is ax plus ky equals to 6. This is x coordinate, the value of that, and this is the value of y coordinate. You can substitute 0 for x and -3 for y. Okay, a times x, which is 0, plus k times y, which is -3, equals to 6. A times 0 is 0. You don't need to write it. K times -3 is -3k equals to 6. To isolate k, you need to divide both sides by -3, and k is -2, which is really easy. So your answer is choice A. Notice that we have another point, -2 and -6. Why don't we use this point? Because if you use -2 and -6, you still have two variables, a and k. But by choosing 0 and -3, because x is 0, you automatically eliminate one variable, which is a, and you only have k as unknown, and you would be able to find the value of that. This is the point of this question. See you in next video. Bye bye.